Hey guys, welcome to HTML crash course for beginners powered by GViz Academy. So in our last video we have learned what is hyperlink. Okay, so for hyperlink we used a tag called as a tag. Where is that code editor? We used a tag called as a tag. A tag in the sense anchor tag. We can, from now onwards, we will not call it as a tag, we will call it as anchor tag. Alright, we use anchor tag for hyperlinks. Then just using anchor tag doesn't work, because we need to specify what URL we want to connect that. We want to link that particular anchor tag, right? So for that we use an attribute called as href attribute. Using href attribute we can specify what URL you want to connect that particular text. But there is one thing that I want you to observe here. As soon as we click on this particular link, this particular tab is getting changed to this particular new website. And again I had to go back, and again if I want to go to Google, I'm clicking this Google and I'm just going, I'm just leaving that particular file behind and going to this Google, redirected to this Google. But many times that should not be the case. I don't want my visitors leave my website. Rather, if I click on GViz Academy, it should get opened on a new tab. If I click on google.com, it should open on a new tab. I don't want my visitors to leave my website and go to the other website, right? That is not what I want. If someone asks you that, then there is one more attribute that you can pass into this anchor tag, that is called as target. Okay, so as soon as you type target equals to comma, open comma close, and inside there we have four options. One is blank, self, parent and top. So right now I'll show you underscore blank. If you type underscore blank inside the target attribute and save it and go back here and refresh, and if you click on GViz Academy, just a minute, in which we did, okay, we added target blank to Google. So we'll copy that, we'll add target blank to GViz Academy as well. We'll go back again here, refresh so that the things gets updated, and then let's click on GViz Academy. Okay, this is not saved. Let's save this file, go back here again, refresh. Alright, now if you click on GViz Academy, it will be opened on a new tab. And again, if you click on google.com, it will be opened on a new tab. People can still stay here, right? My website is safe. They are just redirected to a new website on a new tab. So by default, what was happening is, as soon as I click on this particular link, this particular tab was getting changed into this particular new websites. But I don't want that to happen. I don't want visitors to leave my website, close my websites. I want my visitors to just go to that website and see and then come back here, right? So in that case, I will use one more attribute called as target attribute. Inside that, I will pass a value called as underscore blank. So there are other options as well. There are other options like underscore self or underscore parent or underscore top. Now it is your assignment that you tell me what is the difference between underscore blank, underscore parent, underscore self and underscore top. You test it and tell me what will happen if we use each one of them, how the page will be opened. Right now I'll leave it with underscore blank, means it should open on a new tab. Okay, new blank tab. The link should open in a new blank tab. And the purpose of this particular video chapter is to tell you that this thing is new, right? These two things are new. Till now we learned about tags in HTML, but now we are slowly learning attributes inside the tag. Attributes is nothing but it passes additional information to the basic HTML tags. So here we learned two attributes. First attribute is href attribute, second attribute is target attribute. What is the motive of href attribute? The motive of href attribute is to tell the browser where to redirect as soon as someone clicks on this particular hyperlink. And what is the motive of this particular target attribute? It is to tell where to open it, where to go and where to open, how to open, right? How to open, should I open it in the same tab or a new tab or a new different complete parent window? How you want to open the link, that you need to define it. And yeah, this is what I wanted to convey, that there will be many other attributes as well. We will be slowly exploring every one of most of them, right? So you should understand what is tag, what is attribute, what is element. Element is everything from start to end, and attribute is something that passes additional information to the tags, and tag is nothing but based on the roles like anchor tag or paragraph tag or heading tag. Based on the requirement, we use tags. So this was the chapter 6. We understood what is attribute. So let me go ahead quickly create chapter 6 underscore attribute .html, and what I'll do is I'll copy everything from chapter 5 to chapter 6, and I'll change the heading to we see two attributes of anchor text, and title I'll change to attribute of anchor tag. It's a anchor tag, chapter 6. So we will learn what are attributes and how to use, when to use, right? So let me save it, and chapter 5 also let me quickly save it. Okay, chapter 6, right? So we learned two attributes. First is self, and second is the first one is href and second one is target. So href decides which URL address you want to take the user, and target attribute says you how you want to show it. Self, in the sense by default it will be self itself. By default it is self, you don't have to mention the target attribute. By default, as soon as you click on any particular link, it will open in the self same tab, right? And if you write specifically mention target blank, then it is like we are saying that we want to open that particular link on a new tab. Okay, so first is href attribute and target attribute, right? So I hope you understood what is attribute, and there will be many other attributes as well. Don't worry about it. There is style attribute, there is class attribute, there is ID attribute. So many things we will be learning slowly, one by one. Okay, so by now you should be very comfortable understanding what is attribute. Whenever I refer the term attribute, you should understand what exactly attribute is, what exactly tag is, what exactly element is, what exactly the structure is, what exactly anchor tag is, what exactly paragraph tag is, what exactly heading tag is, right? So that will happen only if you keep practicing after watching the video. So go ahead and practice writing again and again HTML, again and again. Just write something, dummy text or dummy paragraph or dummy headline or dummy tag, dummy links, create dummy targets, and also tell me what is the difference between these parameters. Target underscore blank, what will happen? If I write underscore self, what will happen? If I write underscore top and underscore parent, what will happen? What is the difference between all these four options, right? Go ahead and tell me the difference. And this is what we learned, what is attributes in this video, and we'll come up with another concept in our next video, right? Till then, take care. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.